Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can mute the Google Pixel 8 or Google Pixel 8 Pro. Yeah, it's a bit hidden here, the phone. You can have this tool if you use the volume keys. Anyhow, it's the volume up button or volume down button. No? Let me press it here up, and then I will have here the tool for the volume. On top we have seen a speaker, and this is very important. So one more time, let me press here one of the volume keys, and if I tap now here on the speaker, I can decide now what should happen, if I want to have no sound or if I want to have vibration. Let me do it again. So let me tap on the speaker here and go on the speaker which one is crossed, and the phone is on silent mode right now. Yeah, there's another nice mode to put the phone on silence by just putting it on the flat surface, and then the phone is also muted. Let me show you a bit more about it, because you have to enable this feature first. So just scroll down here, scroll down a second time, tap here on the symbol for the settings. Then you need to go down to the point System, here it is. Tap on Gestures and look for the point Flip to Shh. And you need to enable this feature. And that means whenever you put your phone now on the flat surface, like a table or a bed, then you will have a very gentle vibration, then you know it's turned on. And if you lift up your phone, you will have a very gentle vibration as well, to know, okay, the do not disturb mode is off. You can set up also this do not disturb mode a bit more by just scrolling down here and scrolling down again. Then you will have here the point do not disturb mode. By the way, you can on and off it here as well. If you long press the do not disturb mode, you can give some exceptions. Maybe there's an emergency case at your parents or maybe at your children, then you can give some people here exceptions that they can call you at any time, even if the phone is muted, what is very nice, even with messages here as well next to the calls. And yeah, you can even schedule it that if you forget to put your phone on a flat surface, or if you if you forgot to mute it, then you can give it a sleeping time or another time, maybe if you're working and so on, that the phone should be automatically here on this do not disturb mode. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something up. That would be very helpful for more videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. I can also subscribe me to yeah, don't miss a video again. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.